this is a spacious living area, so you can have a look at this. This is your kitchen. Comes with anti-skid flooring. Here is your bed. So bed space, and this is the most. What if your home was perfectly placed between Marathali, ORR, Sarjapur, Whitefield and even Varthur? Introducing you all with Prestige Evergreen Park. So hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal, and today we'll be doing the sample flight tour of Prestige Evergreen Park located on Varthur Main Road in Whitefield, Bangalore. The project developed by Prestige Group. Now before moving further, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So I'm standing near to our main entrance of our project. So this is the main entrance of our Evergreen Park, and once you enter there will be a wide road, the private road which will take you towards your land parcel, and the marketing office is just over this side where you'll be getting all the information and detail, and even you can check out the model flat as well. But before starting, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee, unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry, because now Housey is here who connects you directly with builder, because in Housey the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview, and this project is spread across 24 acres of massive land parcel with 14 residential tower, with each tower of 2 basement ground plus 19 floors, offering you exclusive 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and this project provides you world-class amenities
like of 85,000 square feet of grand clubhouse, multi-purpose court, lush green garden area, office spaces, cafeteria, indoor game zone, swimming pool and much more.
Now about the location part, and the project is located opposite to Varthur Lake on Whitefield Varthur Main Road in Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project, and this is the Whitefield Varthur Main Road, and this road on the back end side will take you towards Whitefield, and the opposite side road will connect you towards Varthur. And about the Varthur Lake, which is just opposite to our land parcel over here. Now about the further connectivity, so you can connect to Manipal Hospital in just 500 meters. Nexus Whitefield is 1 kilometer away. Hope Farm Metro Station is 4 kilometers, and the best part, you can connect to Prestige Tech Forest in just walking distance. Now this is your 2037 square feet of 3.5 BHK, or else you can even call it as 3 BHK plus study room. And this is the main entrance of your house. Comes with a foyer area and with digital door lock as well. Now once you enter, here is your L-shaped living and the dining area with 3.5 BHK. Let's focus upon the living area first. And this is a spacious living area, so you can have a look at the space that they are providing, where easily you can fit in your couches, your sofa set and even the huge TV unit as well. Now it has a connecting balcony as well. Here's a connecting balcony with anti-skid flooring, toughened glass railing, and this balcony will be 3-side covered. A spacious balcony deck. Now about your dining area. So here's your spacious dining area where easily you can fit in your 6 to 8 seater of dining table and even a decor space. Now let's move further towards your kitchen area. So with the easy access to your dining area, opposite to it is your kitchen area. And this is your kitchen. Comes with anti-skid flooring. And you can have a look at the beautiful interior work done for your reference with the cabinets, the platforms. It has a utility area as well. And this is the utility right over here. Again with anti-skid flooring and provision for your machines. About your bedroom space, so bedroom number 1 is right over this side. So once you walk in, you can have a look at the bed space, the huge window for ventilation and lighting purpose. And opposite to it is your washroom and the wardrobe space. So your wardrobe you can have a look. And now about the washroom. Washroom comes with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. Now moving further towards your another bedroom. So for that you have to take this passage area. Now about your bedroom number 2. So right over here is your bedroom number 2. So once you walk in, and this is the bedroom with ample of space around over here with a huge bed space, a huge window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and right over here is a TV unit space, about the wardrobe as well. So here's your wardrobe space. Now once you step outside this room, and right in front is your common washroom with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fitting. Here the bathing area is separated via tile drop. Now about your 0.5 room, that is a study room. So right over here. So basically the surprise, and wow, this is not just a study room or a 0.5 room. This is exactly a room you can have a look with a bed space again over here. A window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Study table right over here. And even they have fit in a wardrobe over here. Isn't it wonderful? Now about the master bedroom, but before that let me introduce you all with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour, with such sample flight videos, with the pros and cons of the project, with the payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features on the Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit just by registering for free on Housey.com. Now just follow me and we'll move further towards your master bedroom. And right beside this bedroom is a master bedroom. Comes with this foyer area for your privacy, no direct bed. Now once you enter through this foyer area, and here is your bed. So bed space, and this is the most spacious and beautiful room of this house. Comes with a private balcony. And this is a private balcony with anti-skid flooring, toughened glass railing, and this balcony will give you absolutely two-side open view. Now, even they have provided a TV unit space, here's a wardrobe, and for cross ventilation, here's a cross window again. About the washroom as well, yes, even they have a private washroom. Here's your private washroom with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. So now, as you all know, we are here in Whitefield location. Have you checked out on the project in Whitefield? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you are looking for more details of this project, all is mentioned in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.